Nausea, your middle finger, middle finger marks the spot. So do you feel nauseous regardless of what causes indigestion? Maybe you're pregnant, or maybe you just don't feel good, dizzy, whatever. You're just nauseous all the time, right? So your middle finger, if you just naturally rest it, it hits the palm right there. This starts the line that you want to start massaging. See, it goes straight down. It's actually the center of your wrist, right? But you start here and you start massaging all the way down your arm, all the way down your arm. You can use your thumb and just really dig in. Remember, it's the center, the middle line of your arm. This nerve directly corresponds to your stomach, and it can help reduce some of that nausea. Will it eliminate it 100%? Probably not, but it can help you get through the day, maybe get through your meal and be able to eat. So you're gonna start from here and you're gonna massage all the way down. Make sure you like this post and make sure you follow me here for more of these awesome solutions.
I have been seeing Jimmy for acupuncture therapy for my thyroid, for hyperthyroidism and Graves' disease. And in the 6 months that I've been coming here, we have re-kicked my entire body and restarted and have reversed everything, and I feel amazing, and I never want to stop coming.
Hey guys, Jimmy in here, the acupuncture guy with Achieve Integrative Health, coming at you on Thursday. And we're going to continue biohacking tip number 18. Okay, we're actually going to switch it up. We're going to switch to the book of the Blue Zone Solution. So I randomly flipped open, and it was the section of the Blue Zone's beverage rule. And so, you know, from a Chinese medicine's perspective, water is always obviously the best beverage to have. And coffee actually is not good, and tea only to a certain degree, because they're both diuretics, and diuretics means it depletes your body of water. So while you're drinking it, it's actually making you lose it just as fast. However, you know, the research that I like is based on facts. People that are living it, not done in a research lab, but people who are living proof that of what they do. That's the type of data I like to follow. And so of course water is the number one, but actually coffee, this surprised me. You know, they said that research findings associate coffee drinking with lower rates of dementia and Parkinson's disease. Whether that's true, I have no idea. In addition, coffee tends to be a shade grown in the world's blue zone, a practice that benefits birds and the environment. Another example of how blue zone eating practices reflect care for the bigger picture. So there is some benefit to coffee. What exactly that is, I don't know. Although they say it may help the cognitive function, because coffee is a vasodilator. Actually, so for some people who have migraines and headaches, it actually can help you decrease your migraines and headaches. So coffee could be one. And tea, people in all the blue zones drink tea. So that's consistent. People in all the blue zones. Not everybody in the blue zones drink coffee, but everybody drinks water, everybody drinks tea. And last one is red wine. People who drink red wine in moderation tend to outlive those who don't. All right, so let's all go out and get a bottle of wine and start drinking, right? People in most blue zones drink 1 to 3 glasses of wine per day. Wow, often with a meal and with friends. Wine has actually been found to help the system absorb plant-based antioxidants, so it is especially complements a blue zone diet. Maybe I need to start drinking wine. I don't really like wine, but this is from people who are living at optimal health, and they're living to 90 to 100 years old, and they are chopping wood, they're hiking mountains, so something must be going on right? Now, you know, you people can tend to go overboard with these things to become an alcoholic or drink coffee like crazy. That's not what they're trying to say. They're saying these people drink it in moderation. So if you can do it in moderation, it can improve your quality of life. And so that's what, you know, the beverage of the day, beverage of the talk is about today. The Blue Zone's beverage rule. So definitely you want to drink more water, because your body's made of water. It's not made of tea. It's not made of coffee. It's not made of red wine. But coffee, tea, red wine can help, as been shown in these blue zone areas, okay? I don't need some scientific research to tell me that it works when people are actually doing it and actually living and being examples of it. That's the best type of research, right? And so, but if you need that extra help, give me a call at Achieve Integrative Health. Let's get you back, to optimal health.